So the wage bill now 3.9 trillion, when are the highest now the sub-region. The wage bill account for 2020 budget. The wage bill account for 59% of the local revenue, meaning the money where government they get at the country. 59%, almost 60% of them at the count of the local revenue. And ask yourself, waiting and they use the wage bill for? Why the wage bill go up? Waiting at the reason. Members say they may not make commitment. Say they will reduce the wage bill, where they can and go make the wage bill sustainable. But waiting and do, we increase the wage bill. Then form extra 5 new ministries. You don't condemn wage bill. Why you for form more ministries where you expend more money? Then make sure say one, the Ministry of Finance, then get 2 deputies. The Ministry of Social Welfare, Children and Gender, then separate them into 2 ministries. Ministry of Education, then separate them. Ministry of Lands and Environment, then separate them. Then create also the Ministry of Western Region. We have 5 extra ministries. All the ministries then you get for give them budgetary allocation. Quite apart from that, then create more departments and agencies. Look what they do. Then create the National Investment Board. Then create the National Water Resources Management Initiative. Then create the Wages and Salary Commission. Then create the National Monitoring and Evaluation Department. Then create the Strategic Advisory Group on Emergencies. Then create also the Directorate of Science, Technology and Innovation. Then create the Independent Commission of Peace and National Cohesion. Then create also the National Sports Authority. Then create the National Council for Civic Education and Development. Then create the Sierra Leone Seed Certification Agency. Then create the National Disaster Management Agency. Then create also new embassies them. Embassy in Egypt, and embassy in other countries. And even at the Ministry of Finance, they employ advisors then they give $5,000 every blessed month. Then all the embassies they will salon in the whole country, they send deputy ambassadors then.
Welcome, family. Welcome. This another edition of the Tally to Rachel Talk Show program. And today I get an exclusive interview with one of our very own Honorable Abdul Kagbo. And Idena also on another area and just now Idena also for can talk to me about the wage bill, the economy, and the audit 2020 audit report, and so many other things that really happen behind the scenes with Sierra Leone, and the need for know what don't happen for the past 4 years. Now the SLPP Pow government. When I remember say April 4, we make the Pow government 4 years in governance, and now we responsibility for bring come to salon people them the things them where the Pow government don't do, and the promises them where them don't make. Foresee how far they don't go for the past 4 years, because they only get a couple of months now, for get to the 2023 election. So you were just joining. I want to welcome. I am your host, as always, Rachel Bangura Davis. And when I follow me on Facebook, tell it to Rachel, when I follow me page, and also when I go on my YouTube page and follow me page. I'm not going to waste more time again, because we timed on the kitchery. I go one for bring her up. We honorable for making self say hello to family. Honorable Kagbo, say hello to family quickly. Now for unmute.
Yes, my family, I want to seize this opportunity for say hello to Una, for thank Una for the opportunity where I get today for tell Una and for talk to Una. And also I want to seize this opportunity for tell Rachel thank you. We connect me and the people for let them get the live source from we. And already where they can talk to now the document they will get in parliament. This now raw data where the government says go left in parliament, where they call the budget. So already they talk to now waiting and giving a parliament.
All right, family, these are the voice of the Honorable Abdul Kagbo. And like what you don't say, they can't talk about the things then where they happen behind the scene where salon people they need for no and nothing but the truth. Make I go over to you one thing, Honorable. Make me first of all talk about Honorable you. Okay, do you hear me now? Yeah, Honorable,
yes,
you get
hello?
me?
Yes, you get me?
Yes. Okay, I get you. So let me go straight to this.
Did you get me?
Yeah, I get you loud and clear. Make we go straight to the discussion right now. Let me talk about this government done 4 years, April 4.
Yeah, yes, I agree, but it break.
Okay, if you hear me, just answer as I go with the question. This government, Pauper government, done 4 years inside April 4. And you then at the parliament, and I see you very, very vocal, and you talk about issues there, really where salon people, where they take place behind the scene, especially with campaign, the money business in Sierra Leone, where we not see much of the accountability from the government for till we waiting, then they do with salon money. So, but you they can today for can give a detailed explanation as to how the Pauper government don't work and don't do with salon money for the past 4 years. Make we quickly go. First of all, how you think say the SLPP don't govern the people of Sierra Leone for the past 4 years, 4 years down the line? All right, I don't miss Honorable Abdul Kabo. Don't go out on a for beer with small because na salon day and soon as you know sometimes the internet issue. But we are just patient, we are just hold it there because a very, very important information we all can learn from today. So at the time forget Honorable Kabo, but while at the wait forget Honorable Kabo, let's take a listen to this.
Change. I remember, plenty people will say, fly like a bird. I'm not there for fly, but for salmon, I'm there for fly. I remember I go Japan. The hotel I want to enter, they say you're not going to enter now. The previous government in Canada, they not pay. When I get for pay them first before we know they enter. With all the company head of state, they don't get them hotel room, they don't rest. I've been get for pay the debt first, what we get, and pay all the money now for pay for where we enter. We've been get for clear them time, but in all over the world. Many know say a new government there with good intention. And to a very large extent, I will tell you now, say, if you're not a Sierra Leonean and you go out of this country, if then they talk about salon, how other people they respect you, you will not believe. Because Mrs. Akinsidan in a state of disbelief, where
the events of the past 7 days in Sierra Leone, it will bring cold shivers to the spines of every well-minded Sierra Leonean, especially if you are an SLPP member. Let me narrate them one step at a time. Air patrons. Number 1. Last weekend, His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Winnie-Piyu, President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, underlined the word President and Commander-in-Chief. He attended the Catholic Church now Wilberforce. Then they do a fundraiser for build a church or rehabilitate the existing church. Watch this video, yourself, of the
family again for Kotsuna because we want to go straight to the Honorable. Can you hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay, good. So let me go. For the past 4 years, SLPP done 4 year April 4. Now take first of all an overview. How you think say the SLPP Pauper government don't govern the people of Sierra Leone for the past 4 years? Just a brief, opinion on you, especially when you're in a parliament. How you think say the government don't govern the people for the past?
Well, interestingly, we SLPP be one power. You know, a lot of promises then the way they make to the people left. So where they can and go make life better, where they can and go make things that are available, where they can and go do everything, the country go this, the country go that. Lot of promises then where they do. And then lots of condemnations then the way they be make. Then condemn the wage bill, then condemn the external debts, then condemn everything where they make them condemn. But where SLPP come, these 4 years don't be the worst 4 years in the economy since we get independence. Now the worst 4 years this.
Why make you talk so?
From where you get sense, you know, say we money always value pass Guinea money. But for the first time in the history, Guinea money value pass real. In 2017, I go Guinea, 2017. where I give 100,000 Salon money, then they give me 150,000 Guinea money. So meaning money mean value past there. Yo. About 4 days ago, I go Guinea. Where I give 100,000 Salon money, now 60,000 Guinea money, then they give me Guinea for 60,000. And then they give me.
Fambola, if you just joining, please share the video.
So for the just
yes, go ahead, Honorable.
You get me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, just because of bad economic policies, now make this they happen. For the past 4 years, where they come, the wage bill, that the money where they pay salary, they don't double and they don't double waiting them. They don't pass. They increase them by 104%. But I will come into the detail later.
Right.
Meaning the money where the country gets, then they shape among themselves. They all put themselves. They all create offices for all the supporters. Then create offices for the all. At the end of the day, the money where government they get through revenue, then they use for pay themselves. So the wage bill, where they've been condemned, where they come, they add them. I will give the specifics. I will tell you how much they add up. Then yes, the money will be in the lawsuit.
We go kind to that specifics day, but people will say that the same thing APC will do back where they come.
No.
Then put some people in there.
No, where I come to the specifics, you go see the difference. The difference huge. The difference big. You go see the difference.
All right, so let we go. We know that waste no time because a lot of things that they follow discuss. Let's go into the specifics now. Let we talk first of all about the audit, the 2020 audit reports. Let me go inside it first. I remember inside December after the audit reports don't come out, the 2020 audit report, the audit and the anti-corruption commission have been saying by December. The holiday, a lot of government officials then go there behind bars. But some of we not see. I don't know if you see anybody with it behind bars during the 10 day, especially when the audit reports will come out. You will see anything?
No. Me not see they arrest anybody. In a public notice, no more missing. But me not see they arrest anybody.
So what's in really, because when you talk, because I know so you don't do a lot of research and you say you have an official document from where you get you source from where you bring out to Salon people. Let's talk about the audit report, like I say. What's in how much
of the money? Now we go into the audit report. Now we go into the audit report proper.
What's to make a talk so because
the money
this audit report, hold on, honorable. This same audit report, the time it been come out, I think 2016 in the APC. The audit report, according to what Salon people them say, was a very damning report at that time. And now the SLPP used for campaign against the APC, where the APC come on power because people them say APC don't thief boku money during the 10 day. And then campaign strongly say when they come into power, then go cut down on so many things then where they happen, where they make you see Salon they go BMT, they win a corruption. How you see the audit report this 2020 as compared to the one we've been there during APC where they pulled?
The 2020 audit report, firstly, the money way, in fact, is in worst. Because one, if you take SLPP, just 2 years of SLPP, just 2 years, take 2019, take 2020, you add the money them, 2019, 2020, the money we lost. Now 331.5 billion. 331.5 billion. Now in loss inside SLPP 2 years no more. 2 years. 2019, 2020. 331 billion. Whilst if you take APC then 3 years, you take 2017, you take 2016, then you take 2015. 2017, 2016, 2015. You take APC 3 years. The money we lost now 178.1 billion. 178.1 billion for 3 years. SLPP for 2 years, 331.5 billion. So what the SLPP lost for 2 years, it almost doubled what the APC lost for 3 years. And not all the money we lost no more. For the first time, now the audit report, for the first time in the history of Salone, now the audit report, then they accuse the office of the president. For the first time, then they accuse the office of the president. One, they accuse the office of the president of double dipping. You know what's not double dipping? The money where they give, like for example, president in the travel with 8 people left. The 8 people left, then give them all per diem. Say you na you per diem, this you na you per diem, this you na you per diem, this you na you per diem individually. The way then they give the president in your money for who, they mix per diem back for the 8 people and the way they be donkey already per diem. Now then they are the double dipping. Where the audit report make reference of. And interestingly, let tell you, if that was not correct, government for don't make a statement. The office of the president for don't make a statement. The accusation tough for say double dipping from the office of the president. They also defend the office of the president. They accuse them of money laundering. Where you they travel, like where they come off from one country to another, you know they work out with physical cash. Now bank transfer, now they do. Now that makes sense. And then they where you go to airport, then they say declare how much you get a year. If you get more than $5,000, sometimes more than $10,000, declare. You understand? Yeah. President come on here, he go hospital in Lebanon. And where he go hospital in Lebanon, then pay the 170,489 million.
And then it'll be the middle of COVID. The middle of COVID.
Yes, now where COVID mean the 170,409 US dollar. Nine and go pay na Lebanon. 170,489 US dollars. Nine and go pay na Lebanon. And at the same time, then they mean they see we first lady the sense na honeymoon then go. It's na honeymoon then go. And interestingly, they not pay through bank transfer. Na cash them pay. So that means that they travel with cash money from Salone.
So before
where the audit report refer.
Continue.
Yes, if you want to say something.
Yes, I want to say
where
something.
Where the audit report refer as money laundering.
So the money we're missing in the past 2 years, you include the 2020 audit report inside it, or you not even mix and it?
Yeah, the 2020 and the 2019. All the money we're missing are 331 billion leons, 0.5 billion leons. 331.5 billion leons na missing.
So in other words,
just for the 2 years.
Yes, the money where this government, the SLPP Pauper government, inside the audit report, were missing or accounted for. It passed the APC on where we already accused APC on thief boko money for the past 2 years. It surpassed the APC on.
It passed the APC 3 years. It passed APC 3 years. It passed APC 3 years. The money we lost on the APC 3 years.
All right. So before I go to other question, because this is really worrisome.
Yeah, passed and we then lost the money. Remember, we have been the opposition. We have people in the opposition. one promise the president make, now the SLPP manifesto, they say it implement all audit report recommendations.
Right.
They say the recommendations from the audit report, they implement all. But again, now we see them sack the Auditor General. And I believe, say, in sack one will be connected with some of them things there. Inside the audit report, for the first time, you get me?
Yeah, I didn't get you. Go ahead.
Hello? You get me?
Ahead. Go ahead.
You get me?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. I didn't get you.
Inside the audit report, for the first step, because the money they weigh them in the travel, they get for give account. So when the Auditor General then go for let them give account, then give the receipts of banks them of hotels them in Lebanon, hotels them in South Africa, where they say they've been tapped. So the Auditor General then come for Kanosi, then contact the hotel there. The hotel there say no, that receipt there, not all we receipt, not all we hotel in receipt this. So for the first time in the history of this country, Office of the President, they accuse them also for forged receipts. It didn't have the audit report.
Well,
remember?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Remember, President in promise he did travel for clean the image of the country. He did travel for clean the bad image of the country. How you go travel for clean the image of the country? They at the end of the day, then they forge receipts.
All right.
So to me, it's confusing.
I want to hold on small, Honorable, because one of our viewers asked a very, very important question where Miss Sef go on for ask you that day, because he say in there one for ask you that question, and that's where what's the program about the viewers and concern. Yes, he said with all of this money, with this government on thief, not parliamentarians them. What are you doing about this when you have the facts? They call the government for questioning, and all of them things that way they raise. What are the parliamentarians doing about this?
I'm glad you for that question. The question very important. You know what they do?
Yeah.
You know what they do? When after the elections, APC may get 68 members of parliament. 68 members of parliament. And that 68 members of parliament, now they have been the majority. SLPP may get 49 members of parliament. Then have been the minority. And APC now is supposed for control the parliament by virtue of the fact say they get 68 members of parliament. But that's how now waiting happen. The parliament now in SLPP try for capture, then try for pull an APC. So that opposition will get nothing for doing a parliament. How then do them? Before the constitution say, section 83, the first sitting, now they will not vote for the speaker of parliament, now they will not vote for the deputy speaker of parliament. Before the election, then petition 15 members of the opposition, then petition them after the election, before the election of the speaker. After NEC don't gazette them, after NEC don't publish them, NEC don't certify them as members of parliament, then petition 15. The opposition self-petition 32 members of the ruling government, 32 MPs, then petition them. Then petition them on the fact say, some are to sim, some they teach, some they do this, some they do that. So outside we expect court way liberal, the court for don't make sure say they look at all two the cases there. But the day when we for vote for the speaker, because they know say we forbid them by 14 votes, then petition 15 people and then say they're not for take part by the elections. 15 MPs from APC, they say they're not for take part by the elections because the court get problem with them. Now we self say, but we self don't petition 32. Why now the 15 on the own side, una only the stop not for take part, and the 32 na the other side, una the left and let them take part. And you know what's in the rule for injunction? If you get case, they injunct you. Where they injunct you now, stop them, they stop you. Not for doing anything, then they stop you. Like for example, they injunct you say no sell naya. They at the end of the day, they can't find out say you don't lost beaucoup money when you not sell it. And the thing where they allege, na lie they lie by you. The rule say them for compensate you because they make you lose money, where they stop you. So we ask the question, say, if una can't stop 15 people left, where at the end of the day, it will affect the outcome of the result. How una go make up for them? If at the end of the day, we don't vote for the speaker. How una go make up for them? So to we not saying that the members of parliament and them for injunct. Let them injunct the election and try for sort out waiting at the problem with the members of parliament that we can't vote. But then say no. Before that, then go ahead, then conduct the elections in the absence of the opposition. And when they conduct the elections, the constitution is very clear. Constitution they in tandem. You get me?
And they get you. Go ahead.
You get me?
Go ahead. And they get you. And they get you, honorable.
Hello. You get me?
Go ahead. Yes, sir.
Hello.
And they get you. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. The constitution is in tandem with the standing. The constitution is in tandem with the standing orders. The standing orders. Okay.
All right, Famuna, and again for patience with small. These are very, very important information. Would they try for bring to the people of Sierra Leone? It is important the Salone people they know and understand waiting they go on behind the scene of the government in 4 years and the things that we don't do. And some of the things that we them promise Salone people when they come into governance, but from the way they see the trend, it's like things are just going worse and worse. So while we wait for Honorable Kabo, let's take a listen to this again.
Change. And remember, plenty people will say, fly like a boat. I'm not there for fly, but for someone, I'm there for fly. I remember I go Japan. The hotel I went into, they say you're not going to enter Naya. The previous government, they come Naya, they not pay. When I get for pay them first, before we know they enter. When all me company head of state, they don't get them hotel room, they don't.
All right, come on, Honorable Kabo, continue.
Okay, so like what's happening there?
Yeah, we will talk about why the parliament is not able for call.
Yeah, the speaker of parliament. The speaker of parliament. Yeah, the speaker of parliament. The constitution for let you be speaker of forget 2/3 majority. If anybody for nobody not get 2/3 majority, then they organize election for the third time. For the third time, you forget simple majority. If na una two contest, you forget more than half of the total number of
change. And remember, plenty people will say, fly like a boat. I'm not there for fly, but for someone, I'm there for fly. I remember I go Japan. The hotel I went into, they say you're not going to enter Naya. The previous government, they come Naya, they not pay. When I get for pay them first, before we know they enter.
All right, Honorable Kabo. So because of that,
Did you get me?
Yeah, so because of that, because of all what you explained, so
yes, ma'am.
SLPP, it's like they're overthrown now the parliament. How they overthrown the parliament and become the majority. So because of that, you think that it make una as parliamentarians not able to push this issue and hold the government accountable with so much money when they talk about when missing inside the audit report, even more than the APC. Honorable, are you there? Family, like I say, una really get for patience with small. The devil is a liar. Una get for patience with small because this now we couple, we salon couple 9 we they talk about today. And if Honorable Abdul Kabo begin talk about the wage bill, Usai Ibn Day and Usai Ide right now. I don't think say salon people there we go to play as we play so now, or we go to condone the things that really happen because the money we don't miss in a salon is plenty as compared to the kind of poverty, the kind of abject poverty state where we salon people in there now, where it's not there for it's ganga, work business no day, medical facility no day, and we have so much of this money missing by this government inside 4 years. Dear una patiently, would they bring una very, very important information. So Honorable, let's go to another issue. We'll come to this one as to why we're not able to hold the government accountable. Let's go to because what you don't say, the money where this government don't thief, make a put so when this government alleged say this government don't thief from the audit report, it passed the one where the APC accused the APC thief inside 10 years from what we see. And now we go to the wage bill. Now we go to the specific of the wage bill. We don't see how the economy then as alone. And you say don't make reference to Guinea. We money be always there ahead of Guinea. And now we money so depreciate that when you go Guinea for go change money, the money plenty pass week. What do you think are some of the things then where they cause this economy for broke down with the dollar rate way so high? And
yes. Before
let's go into
before I go to the wage bill, I just want to end waiting. I mean, they explain just now. Let people get a thorough understanding why how then waiting then do. The first thing we SLPP do now for capture. The first thing we SLPP do now for capture the parliament. Now the first thing that they then do now for capture the parliament. And how they capture the parliament, the speaker not even get half of the total number of votes of members of parliament, of all members of parliament. And the constitution say for let be speaker, you forget half of the total number of votes of all members of parliament. All. Say half of all the members of parliament, you forget half of the total number of votes of all the members of parliament. This current speaker not even get half of the total number of votes of all the members of parliament. And when they do that, after they do that, still with 68, we win the vote on anything. Now we they win the vote. If we will win the vote, then they turn against we. Then they say no, una win, but na dande there with the G. And all parliament all over the world, na majority. So the first way then, the way they no say we boku, now they say well this now because them boku, now make them they do this. Now them pull 11 members of parliament. So mean they say not 10, but not to 10. Then pull Alassane Jero Camara within a Falaba. Now 11 members of parliament, 9 them pull. 11 members of parliament, 9 them pull. We then pull the 11 members of parliament, and the constitution very clear. In fact, now 3 things happen. The first thing we happen at that, the constitution say any side we una get election petition enough for past 4 months, then for don't rule on that election petition. 4 months after election, then for don't take a decision on the election petition. But Nayanda within a salon with it take over 1 year. We're very unconstitutional. Then the second one, if you don't pull 11 members of parliament, it means that the seats don't vacant. you for conduct another election, for let the people them pick, who that for replace them. But now we see them take 11 members of parliament and pull them, then they replace them by the one that we can second. So man that we can second in constituency, in a constituency of the one we win, maybe in votes now 12,000. And the one we can second now 1,000 votes again. Then they say, no, Lord, we give the one we get 1,000 and for be the MP. So the one that way people they don't want, now then go send a parliament. For let the influence waiting they happen at parliament. In parliament, however, you talk to now voting. If you not win voting, you not in a parliament. You just they talk for the records. So most of the things the way they happen in a parliament, where the opposition not able to get the way in a parliament because they don't reduce the opposition number. Now that they don't give the votes then to the ruling party. So anything I will go vote for, now then they win the vote. Anything I will do, now then they win now. You see? So to me, you know, now the first thing now they then do for render the parliament impotent. Now the first thing now they then do. Because now the parliament, the opposition will get in strength. Now the parliament, the opposition will get in power. Now the parliament, the opposition will get for reject some things then where they come up from the executive. So they use the court for make sure say then take total control over parliament. So now you're not able to blame any opposition MP for where they're not able to do something correct in parliament, where they're not able to do this. We go talk. If you go to the records, then go tell you say we go talk. But when we talk at the end of the day, now for nothing. Because now majority, where they vote, now majority, now always they win, waiting they vote for. So from where they reduce the number, sometimes they say we they abstain from voting. We they walk out, we not they vote. Because whether we vote or we not vote or waiting they want, now still be done. Because they don't reduce the number in the parliament. They don't reduce the number. Then now go now to the wage bill we asked me for. When SLPP Minde in opposition, now the manifesto, then talk say the wage bill not sustainable. Where you go under the microeconomics variable, then talk say the wage bill is not sustainable. Then say the wage bill very high. That time the wage bill Minde at 1.9 trillion. 1.9 trillion. And then condemn the wage bill. They say that wage bill is too high. The wage bill pass mark down at 1.9 trillion. So when SLPP can have power, with the intention say the wage bill where they meet the high, where they can then create more offices them for the members them. More offices them for the members them. Like Uda don't support me. Uda not this, Uda been they bear me, laugh inside for put them, laugh inside for put them. So what they do, then create 5 new ministries. 5 new ministries. The Ministry of Finance, the deputy position, then share into 2. Ministry of Gender, Social Welfare, then share into 2. So now you get Ministry of Gender, you get Ministry of Children's Affairs, then Ministry of Education, then share into 2. Now you get tertiary, you get secondary, senior secondary education. You say Ministry of Lands and Environment, then share into 2. Now you get Ministry of Environment, you get Ministry of Lands. And then create also a ministry where they call Ministry of Western Region. Why una go get Ministry of Western Region when the president Naya Ide? You understand? By right, ministry, departments and agencies, most of them presence not in the region. Where you go Port Local, where you go Bo, you go Kenima, you know they see the ministers and they all not on the Sido. So either they represent the president and the government they now the minister of the region. Now make them get minister of Northwest region, minister of South and region, minister of Eastern region, because now then a government presence. Now then they represent government presence. You don't need minister of Western region.
Hold on, but the government go out you say their ministry also they establish or they divide. They go out argue say it was very, very necessary. Although, like you say, before they come, they said the wage bill high where APC gets. So then they say then they can reduce the wage bill. But now, like what they say, what we don't see, in fact, they don't double or triple the wage bill at this point. So, but probably they want for argue say these are necessary. Go on.
Yes. When they come, then say that they reduce the wage bill. Yeah. Then form 5 ministries. Ask yourself, within that 5 ministries they don't do. Waiting at the impact of the ministries them, we then don't do. How they don't affect everything. Waiting then don't do. They don't do nothing. You understand? But now, like I explain to you, not to them 5 ministries, then they no more than 4 more. Not to them 5 ministries, then they. Then form more than 15 agencies them. More than 15 agencies the way they come. And for each agency, not to 1 person they employ, not to 2 person they employ, not to 3 person they employ, not to 4 person they employ. For each agency we then form. Then form the National Investment Board. Then form the National Water Resources Management and Initiative. Then form the Wages and Salary Commission. Then form the National Monitoring and Evaluation Department. Then form the Strategic Advisory Group on Emergency. Then form the Directorate of Science and Technology and Innovation. Then form the Independent Commission for Peace and National Cohesion. Then form the National Sport Authority. Then form the National Council for Civic Education and Development. Then form the Sierra Leone Seed Certification Agency. Then form the National Disaster Management. Then form several other agencies. Outside they employ plenty people there. When are they young people there? Then they don't stop there. Then go back, then form new embassies there. Then create embassy in Egypt. Then they don't stop there. Waiting and do. You know, say we may get embassies then are most sizes na different places than at the world. We may get embassies then they. You understand? So waiting and do. Each of the embassies then they we get the ambassador. Then we get the ambassador. Then we get the head of chancellery. Yeah. The head of chancellery now in the act as the deputy ambassador. Yeah. In the case of the ambassador absent, now the head of chancellery now go replace them. But waiting and the way they come, they appoint deputy ambassadors to all the embassies they will get now the world. All will get now the world. They appoint deputy ambassadors them. You understand? So with the deputy ambassadors them, with the new agencies that we then create, with the new ministries that we then create, they make sure say where they meet. Remember, they oppose the wage bill way been there at 1.9 trillion. Then say it pass mark. Where they don't form all waiting them for form. Where they don't form all waiting them for form. The wage bill, it go now to 3.9 trillion. 3.9 trillion. It double waiting been there. It increased by 104%. 3.9 trillion.
So let's hold it. Let's pause for a moment, Honorable. Let's pause for a moment, because you know why I'm feeling so sad. Let me just take me journalism and put some corner aside and think like a Sierra Leonean. Because if we look with economy today, you look how people and they suffer. You look the bread and butter issues. You look how young man and job no day. This kind of money where they call. I mean, this money you don't do for, we are 7.8 million. This money, inside this money, now we're not able to forget no sober medical facility. Bella and they die, Pekin and they die. People are dying of curable disease. And we haven't seen this free quality education. We haven't seen libraries in all of these districts and all of that where the government claim. So what are these monies for? And we still complain for light. We still complain for water. Sierra Leoneans, we have to wake up. This is not about politics again. The money is so scary. Me, like when my sister they talk today, me hate the arts. When are you the money they are so? Honestly. In fact, yes, go ahead.
In fact, you ain't no at it until I go to the death row, don't take us a country. That's when you go at.
Honestly, Honorable, you know, anybody where feel say, now like it or not like SLBP, then that person not to true Sierra Leone. That's what I said. Any true Sierra Leonean where you're waiting, you they talk so. And with facts. What to say they can make up story. And with facts.
No. Now, from the document where them give we, now then give me this document na Parliament. All later they read now from the budget. And the budget was presented to Parliament by the Minister of Finance. So now waiting then give we now they read so. The budget where SLPP government give we, now they read so. Now let's go to the debt, Mama.
No, but before I go to the debt,
Okay.
I want some people, you know what, with salon people, they need to understand some of them things here, when they bring cancer we, because not everybody understand what you talk so. Not everybody know the kind all where this government don't left for we for the past 4 years. I'm speaking like a Sierra Leonean, not even as a journalist or broadcaster. I'm speaking as a Sierra Leonean. Because if Una don't come, say, now the new direction, all what we don't accuse the APC for, all what we don't talk, say the APC, including we self, we don't even vex for the APC government for all the accusation, then tiff there. So honestly, with what immediately, APC look like angel. APC look like, and we're not condoning the corrupt practices of the APC, but from what immediately, APC na small thing they do. They look like an angel. Continue. And let's talk about the debts, where we get at present. And then we compare to waiting the APC be not left for we inside 10 years and waiting the SLPP don't give we inside 4 years. Go ahead.
Okay. When Pakabam in the left, because during Pakabam time, we may get some debt relief we then give it because of the war. Then say, well, Lord, we give them some debt relief. So they reduce some of. So at the end of the day, Pakaba left a total debt now the country we very, very minimal because of the debt relief we them in non giving. Not so because they're not trust, so we trust, but because they say no, but this is not a country we come off from war. So the debt where Pakaba may left now been 2.78 trillion. 2.78 trillion. Nine Pakaba left. That was 2007. When APC can have power, for the 10 years where APC rule, they raised the debt from 2.78 trillion to 17.83 trillion.
That's not the 10
for the 10 years. So yes, so for the 10 years, APC increased the debt by 15 trillion. By 15 trillion. Now APC increased the debt. So SLPP can meet a debt of 17.83 trillion. Just in 2 years, because this document where they read so now the budget for 2020.
Okay.
Now the 2020 financial year.
Okay.
2020. So just for 3 years. Yeah. Just for 3 years. Then take them from 17.83 trillion to 30.71 trillion. Oh, so God. Just in 2 years, SLPP increased the debt by over 14 trillion.
What?
Over 14 trillion. Yes. APC for 10 years, they increased the debt by 15 trillion, 15.04 trillion. So 15 trillion. Now APC increased the debt for 10 years. SLPP just 2 years, now 13 trillion. Now SLPP increased the debt. 13 trillion. In fact, then get a project, where they go with budget, you the project say next year, now so the debts go there. So waiting and just in 3 years, then go down increase the debt by 14.3 trillion. By 14.3 trillion. So in APC then 10 years, we then trust 15 trillion. SLPP just 2 years, then trust 13 trillion. 13 trillion. So I do a calculation. I look at the population at the country, and I say if they say let them shape the debt among we all, let everybody pay equally. One person they pay $425. Now one person they pay. Hello?
Yes, I say.
Did you get me?
Yes, make that your calculation. Then tell me who that will pay the debts in.
I'll do the calculation. it shows each Sierra Leonean for pay $425 for law redeem we get them will get. Each Sierra Leonean for pay $425. Each Sierra Leonean. So tell Pikino, we all get for join for pay that money.
No, okay. I want to hold on small on that because, like you say, me $8 at extra, and I'm sure I'm not only one day inside this feeling right now, because so this date where SLPP pauper government don't take inside 2 years because a 2 year budget to be the so inside 2 years.
Yeah.
What have they done with these monies? You know,
that's the question. That's the question. That's the question.
Who's kind of infrastructure where they come and build from scratch? If not to continuity, then can
before we go into that, IMF, then get what they call debt sustainability analysis, where they do every year. In 2019, IMF lists 15 sub-Saharan African countries there, where they get very high debt. 15. Sierra Leone been did it. 2019, Sierra Leone been did it. Just in 2020, then trust 2.25 billion. Now then trust 2020. So a move we debt come extremely up. We beat them 15 countries then we been there before we beat them. So we debt now we they at high risk of debt distress according to the 2020 report because of that money they will trust 2020. They ask yourself if they trust money, what thing they do? What thing they do with them? Lights no they not as I talk to you. Lights no they. We know we get electricity. Lunge na we me they say money no they for buy fuel. They say money no they for buy fuel for electricity. With that kind of debt they will get. And ask yourself how many roads can they make? Most of the roads the way APC mean they make, where they can they stop for maker. Then stop, they don't demobilize. That's okay road. They don't demobilize. In fact, the contractors they don't pack all the loads, they don't come out today. They don't go. They don't pack the load, they don't come out today. But every year, then they put money, budget for that road today. Every year, then they put money for budget for that road today. Wait till who shall we go? And then get waiting and called trend analysis. Trend analysis that if you calculate what don't happen in 2 years, you calculate what happen 3 years. Now so the trend get for go the 4 year, 5 year. So anybody where they wish SLPP forget another 5 years back, now possibly no exam.
You know, Honorable Law hold on there for small because we all need for process for this all this talk we don't talk so. And one thing we are happy about because when we talk, they say, oh, na boku talk una again. This na the official document where they self bring to una parliament.
For sure. Nobody not they challenge me.
Yes.
I don't go 98, I don't talk this, I don't go radio station, I don't go TV station. I need Uda na SLPP where they can say them figures there where Honorable Abdul they talk not correct. Now that they they look forward to.
Yes. Nobody have seen you. Like you say, you don't go 98.1, you don't go to AYV. You don't talk about this. None of them inside the power of government not able for challenge those figures.
No, they're not the challenge.
None of them not able for challenge. These are the words of the parliamentarian or formula. When are the official document where from the SLPP. Where now they talk from so. So Sierra Leoneans for really take a step back and begin for reflect on some of them money how they talk about so. I mean, 10 people are sorry for we.
And let's say something.
This is
we get one.
This is crazy.
We get let's say something. We get one organization now West Africa, we then call West Africa Monetary Zone. West Africa Monetary Zone, WAMZI, now then they assess the economies of West African countries. And at the end of the day, then get within the analysis that we then they do. You understand? In fact, in the report where they produce, they say no African country in debt not for be 65% of your GDP. So when you debt be 65% of your GDP, it means say you debt don't serious. It means say other countries the way they trust you, therefore begin afraid for trust you because you debt don't pass mark. 65. As we they talk so, we debt to GDP ratio na 77%. Now 77%. So don't pass 65. No.
It don't
yes, now 77%. In fact, immediately we come on 98.1, you see some other NGOs that come together, then say, well, let them rally for debt relief, let them reduce with debt, let them give with debt relief.
Now they are advocating debt relief.
Now because they not say if we continue this trend, then go reach where they not the trust alone again. No country not the trust alone.
You don't think so they for be accountable for their money or so? When Salon people and they live in abject poverty, they should be be accountable.
My sister, if you have food. The only way we go get them for account, the only way we will get them for account, now we'll vote them out. If they still learn at the position, it will be difficult for their account. But when we vote them out, then they will able account.
You know, I'm sorry I'm being very emotional here, but you know why? Because every day we look at social media, pictures, then videos that they send from Sierra Leone, and we also family members. It's scary. People are suffering. You did it. People are suffering. And not because we know they we also equally they feel the pinch. Lights no day, water no day. What the infrastructure then? With all the money they are so, which one they go able for pinpoint say, now we don't build this from scratch, can up. Medical facility, no day. Even the medication, the general medication and so forth for the hospital, no day. This is scary, Sierra Leonean.
Last shock you back. I
think they have to be judged for their wrongdoings.
I can't various shocks them for you today.
For Salon people, because not tell me
waiting happen. Waiting happen. During COVID-19, during Corona, all other African countries, then debts them go down, they reduce them debts them. Then stop for trust. Beaucoup African countries, they not trust during Corona. They reduce. Because then the movement not mean the activities not mean the now more of lockdown. But now during
that's only the 6% Corona term.
But interestingly, now during Corona, now we own government trust the highest.
Wow.
Now during Corona, now we trust the highest. We trust 2.25 billion during Corona. Now we trust the highest. And last time you. And I'll tell you, just two things. Where you take the debts that we will pay, we they use 25% of we revenue for pay debt. Then we they use almost 60%, 59%, almost 60% of we revenue for pay salaries. So if we don't pay debt, we don't pay salaries, all things they go to 84% of we revenue. So 84% of we revenue, they go to debt and salaries. 16% now they left for run the country. So if they're not giving money, we're not able to run salon. We're not able to run salon as a country. And most of the organizations, the way they give money, like IMF, they don't stop for support with budget. ADB, they don't stop for support with budget. EU don't stop for support to budget. Only World Bank, 90 to budget. Only World Bank, 90 support the budget as we talk. So only World Bank, 90 support the budget.
How the MCC money come when we see the SLPP, they gladly, oh, we don't win MCC, we don't win MCC or whatever they call them. I mean, I'm just
MCC
as a speak, you know, and these people feel they're doing very well. So where is the disconnect here? Also, the disconnect there, because when you speak to these people, they will say, oh, yesterday I had Keketoma, they talk about rice, Tamabom rice. What we know they see, they ask me, they say Salon people and prefer foreign rice than the local rice, where Salon people and they even see. So where all these projects, what they've been talking about?
That's the 1 million question.
Let's talk about this MCC. Where they always they talk about, they jubilate about.
MCC, in fact, Salon joined MCC during APC. MCC, then they assess you on things the way they happen in a country. Like, for example, then go can ask about the human rights, things the way they happen in the country. Then go grade you on human rights. Then go can ask on the fight against corruption. Then go grade you on the fight against corruption. Then go can ask now an American institution. Now then they do this. But what thing then they do? Most of the grading way MCC they do, not to them say they care for can grade. Then they subcontract some other organization for let them, like for example, African Barometer. Now then they check some other facts then at the country. But African Barometer not the care. So what the African Barometer do? Then subcontract IGR. You get me?
I get you.
You get me?
I get you. I just the process which they talk. I'm getting
you. You get me? Then subcontract IGR. IGR na Andwela Valley na they lead them. So what the IGR give the African Barometer na they send to MCC. The time that way they know mean they kill people in a treat. The time that way they know mean they kill people in a treat with gunshots. Where they not go kill people in a Pademba Road. Where they not go kill people in a Tombo. Where they not go kill people in a Makeni. The time that way they know mean they do that day. We not score better by human rights. Now the time that way they kill people now MCC give I mark by human rights.
So the catch is let's allow people to understand this MCC, because that is what the SLPP government the flaunt around. So the catch, according to what you explain, is of course the MCC they subcontract to organization, and organization instead they subcontract to other organization.
You the break. I know they clearly.
So what you had the try for say, I just want for re-echo what you talk just now about the MCC. When we say the MCC, gladness, you get me?
Yeah, I know they get you.
You get me now? You get me now?
Hello?
Yeah, you get me now?
Yes, I know me they get you just now.
Okay, so I just try for echo quickly the MCC what you talk about. Yeah, at least a lot of people understand, because some of we went out there, they miss the whole thing because of the way where the SLPP they portray the MCC as if say that the MCC safe that the cancer alone can't check this, can't check that. Now, for those of you now we're not able will not be ever understand how the MCC they operate. The MCC they give contract to in other organization, and this other organization say they subcontract other organization, and some of their organization where they subcontract to now Salon people and they add their organization there. And when you look at the people right now where they add their organization, where the MCC they subcontract to forget findings on some of their activities there. So what we they do, whether they give a scorecard on now SLPP people they lead this organization. So whatever
you get me?
Information, yeah, I get you. So whatever information these people within the organization where they run by the SLPP, whatever information they give their organization, now they go give MCC, and that's MCC they work with. So this is why Salon people are always confused, say, how MCC they get scorecard on human rights, Salon gets good grade on human rights. Now, this is where the disconnect is, because Salon people are not be understand. Most Salon people are not be understand the catch. say MCC necessarily they go inside salon, then they subcontract to organization subcontract to another organization on or run by the SLPP. So my people, what do you expect? You will expect, say, the MCC scorecard when they put for we go get on again over on again. Because this there are people that when they do the facts finding and send them to them are run by the SLPP. So go on, Honorable. I mean, just want to make it clear for family and make them understand. Honorable, go ahead. Honorable, go ahead. Did you get me? Go ahead.
Change. And remember, plenty people will say, fly like a bird. I'm not like for fly, but for salmon, I'm there for fly. I remember I go Japan. The hotel I want to enter, they say you're not going to enter Naya. The previous government, they come Naya, they not pay. When I get for pay that first, before when they enter. When all the company head of state, they don't get them hotel rooms, they don't rest. I've been there for paying the debt first. We get and pay all the money now for pay for where we enter. We've been there for clear them time, but in all over the world. Many know say a new government day with good intention. And to very large extent, I will tell you now, say, if you like Israeli and you go out of this country, if they talk about Salon, how other people they respect you, you will not believe. Because Mrs. Akinsidon in a state of disbelief, where
it's probably them on bear we small with the wait for Honorable make he can tell we the rest of the information about Honorable. You get me now? Honorable Abdul Kagbo, you get me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear. Yeah.
It's okay. As we try for roundup at this point, what do you think? Say with all what we don't talk about because it's plenty and we need for processing. With all what we don't talk about, how you think say Salon people in? Yes. How you think say Salon people in for all this government accountable for 4 years of this damage reporting where would they hear so?
Hello?
Yes, I get you. Honorable, I get you.
Ghana is my second home, especially since you guys are now stepping up with your jollof rice game. Oshe, you know what I mean? Like, okay, so I'm a Ghanaian in spirit, but more so because of what the Ghanaian government is doing recently. You guys, did you know that Ghana has announced sweeping cut in the cost of governance? They are taking 12 different measures, cutting down costs in 12 different areas, including cutting down the salaries of their officials in order to reduce the country's deficit. I was like, what? This is wonderful. And also to contain the rising inflation rate and slow down their currency, that is the CD, from sliding down against the dollar rate. So this is to say that this is a responsible government, cutting down the cost of governance in order to save their economy and prevent.
Honorable, yes, let me
yes, ma'am.
On this thing quick. So before we come to government being accountable for these monies, let me just quickly run more because like your profile, I see now your profile, your WhatsApp profile, you say where graduation, because this thing don't go on for the past days now the social media, but this Dominion, no just run more say. I see you say now Dominion, you say go get PhD because I see now your profile, you say wear gown, you put your hats, you know, because I don't know, I say this PhD don't fashionable on a salon. So tell me small about the PhD Dominion where they go on and say, even they talk about the clerk of parliament. I only hope not say small for Salon people.
Not so Dominion Ghana be well.
Because we send
not so Dominion Ghana be well.
With that money away, they call with this.
No, me not the part of the Mangotic PhD.
So, but honestly, with a laugh number, but it's sad. What thing that you take?
On a very serious note.
Yes. On
a very serious note, we get people them we occupy office system. We not just false results. People no want go through the real academic process, but they want all top offices them. They want control the institutions them. You see, so you see, say at the end of the day, most of the people that we hold sober offices them, now people them we not even qualify. They work out with fake degrees. Dominion don't they give doctorate degree when not fake. You see, so some man and they go for them, they visit. And they wonder if you want that academic title, what do you do with them? What do you do? Who say you want to go with them? If you want them, the title more important, but the knowledge more important than the title. The knowledge important than the title. Sometimes in that case, you don't know how to go do course. The course where they go do now for like gain something. Let something left inside my brain. Where they able use, where they able make use of. You say. But right now, you check most of the office system, sister. Now, man, then they will get degrees the way they're not even in our website. They don't proliferate. And it's also the partner salon. If they see my get masters, winner honorary, you get doctorate winner honorary. Where at the end of the day, you go look the colleges they don't know they exist. Not also bad colleges there. It's unfortunate. So the extent that we IGP all the government parenting in there.
The president says he's a doctor, so it starts from the president too.
No, well, interestingly, according to we laws them, when you become president, you now automatically the chancellor of the University of Sierra Leone. And then they confer in you honorary degree. So all presidents now doctor. It not necessarily means say they do the doctorate course, but then they confer in them honorary degree because then are the chancellor of the University of Sierra Leone. Unlike now, where they don't change and say the president is no longer the chancellor.
Okay, so but before we talk about account, how this government for account, how Salon people and for ensure say this government account for them money they are so, and I want for before we go back, may just re-emphasize on the debts where Salon paper right now. I just want you to take a listen. Just take a listen quickly on this. Give me a response on this quickly.
That's what they say. And see, but we all know say now the whole country, the whole world right now, now they never suffer for fear business because of the war with Russia. But like you that this information, what you tell some of them are not sabi. Do you know? They say fear no day. And through me fear no day. You know why fear no day? Because all the petrol stations and APC gets them.
Get for the first lady of this republic, they accuse her of being APCians.
Yeah, why see that picture? They know the video.
Since for a long time, people have been accusing NP, say MP na APC. But let me give you the facts now. MP, and ironically, maybe the first lady not aware, but MP was really sold by His Excellency President Brigadier Madabio.
All right, I want to just rub mouth Pandantani, and before you rub mouth, I just want to say, we don't see the IG, everything with the opposition they say on media, then they call them for questioning. They say that incitement, What do you think about the first lady in accusation against the APC, saying that the NP station in the now APC is owned by the APC? And at that time, people were really disgruntled and angry Just imagine if they go burn all the NP station and they, or they go to the APC the managing director of NP, then go kill them, then go burn us. They say just, is that not an incitement? Is that not something that the IG should talk about?
You are letting sack IG. IG force, then jump more than 10 competent people left. Then jump more than 10 to 12 competent people left. Now then go pick and say you can before, can't serve we. It did not get the IG out of merit. He got it because they knew he was going to protect them. Not out of merit, because waiting can happen. Most of them positions then you get for rise through the rank. Now by Uda senior. But then jump more than 12 to 13 senior people left. Then go appoint and say, yeah, come. Then two, that message enough for tell everybody say, anything with SLPP not able to handle, then they put on for APC.
So this game,
anything with SLPP not able to handle, then they put on for APC.
This game they're not able to
say this na APC. Anything where they're not able to handle, then they put on for APC.
Yeah.
In fact, waiting happen, waiting be happen. You dey get me?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, waiting be happen. Waiting be happen. The owner of NP, the head of NP Minde na 98.1. He talks saying that the current president na him be sell NP to 32 workers, they staff them, with them in get for pay, the end of year benefits. Now he sell and to the current president, now he sell NP to staff them, women get for pay NP. So waiting at APC in Yundi. But this country, even when this government don't go for a year, anything will happen at APC, then they call. Anything will happen at APC. Price go up, they say na APC.
Honorable, that they show say this game here they're not able and so they for pull on.
This game you get back. The game get back.
This not just say the game they're not able and for pull on because anything we can say that APC.
No. The excuse don't pass mark. The excuse don't pass mark. The excuse don't pass mark. It don't pass mark.
Somebody say I ask you waiting at the president in salary presently.
I'm not to get you clearly. It can't broken.
Somebody in the comment section, one of the viewers, they say I ask you waiting at the president in salary currently.
Waiting at the waiting?
The president in salary. The president in salary.
And then a secret, so nobody know. Nobody know.
This part of the world, it is out there. Everybody know.
Not to salon, no, not to salon. Me, I don't know the president in salary. Where's the president not declaring in assets publicly? Publicly, the president not declaring assets. Me make that promise there. When in the contest, the same go do public declaration of assets.
So that means say, in a nutshell, let me just analyze. That means say, in a nutshell, all within the SLPP campaign against the APC for, and when we and big fool with the people of Sierra Leone and deceive with the people of Sierra Leone. So then come and do record breaking.
I don't get you. What you say?
And they say that means say because me that the money side me they talk about because there are so many things that where they don't falter on and the promises. But I'm saying all what's in the SLPP campaign against the APC for when we the people
then do and 10 times.
So it's like record breaking. Everything are record breaking.
Yeah, then do and 10 times. Then do and 10 times.
So that's record breaking.
Then do and 10 times. Then do and 10 times. Then do and 10 times.
All right.
Under APC, Guinea money no ever reach real. For tell you say now the salon money don't depreciate. Nobody no go say now global. Who's global? Is Guinea not part of the globe? Why make them able handle their currency to the extent that the money still value? Then we don't depreciate fearful one. Not so global now and there.
So before you left, Honorable, I want to just reiterate on the debts now where Salon Day and Usai Winde 10 years ago or before the APC left, and Usai Winde where the SLPP don't take over. I just want to just put that now the minds and the heart of Sierra Leone and say make them take that one day for go sleep with this net.
Wait here for talk on again.
On the debt, we debt. Salon debt.
The debt?
Yes, just talk about just
the debt.
Just give it the figures, yeah, the figures from Usai APC left.
I'm broken.
Just give me the figures of the debt from Usai APC Lefan to Usai SLPP in 4 years. Don't put up.
Okay, let's go over them again. You mean?
Yes.
I think at the comment section, Adalov Osmanu, he say IG go invite me tomorrow for this statement. What I don't make. I don't sleep na cell. I don't sleep na cell. Police then be arrest me. And with the police will arrest me, tell me say them go ensure say I set me in Martina Parliament. So I don't sleep na cell. So then they not on new thing to we. Sell now for we they make am. Then they not go stop we law not talk.
Yeah, so go over the debt quickly.
Oh, the debt, eh? Well, SLPP don't cast Sarawi. They don't cast Sarawi to the extent that the debt where we country don't get, it don't fearful. And if they no give we debt relief, it will come very soon to the time where no country not the trust Salon again. No country not the trust Salon again. Because we debt then go down to the 11 where then they know say this they not get strong economy. It just feel like way they know you say Honorable Abu Kabo, he get for pay Abu, he get for pay Zainab, he get for pay Adama. They are the good to other person back for good trust. Then just go tell me say, hey, do ya now they not trust Samo. He did the way that they pack. Under SLP, under APC, the 10 years of APC trust 15.04 trillion under the 10 years of APC. So 15 trillion in APC trust. Under the 2 years of SLPP, then trust 13 trillion. Under the 2 years of SLPP, then trust 13 trillion. And the projection we then give for 2021, then they trust over 14 trillion, 14.3 trillion. 14.3 trillion. We did,
just inside 3 years.
3 years debt, you almost to the 10 years debt where APC will take.
That's the 10 years.
3 years debt of SLPP. We almost to the 10 years debt of APC.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes. We external debt right now. No, 2020. We external debt 2020 now been 2 billion. We domestic debt now been 1.1 billion. So we total debt now $3.1 billion. We total debt $3.1 billion. We're now 77% of we GDP. We're very alarming, very fearful. Now that makes some NGOs then they come say some civil societies there. Then they come say, let we campaign for debt relief. It go good for we country because the debt rate right now, I tell you, any government will come, they get for be worrisome.
Yes, so yeah, it go good for we right now. But how before you left with how you think say Salon people and go all this government accountable as to what thing they do with this money where Salon people are still they suffer for simple things then for things the way I mean for basic necessity. How we think say we go all this government responsible?
The only way we go all government responsible now where we don't vote them out of office. So the first thing we Salon people learn for no, we need for vote SLPP out of office. They need for go. You understand? Now we go to the exchange rate. In 2007, where APC Kana office, the exchange rate it been there around 4,370 billions for dollar. 4,370 billions for dollar. Yeah. But where APC they left, they left the exchange rate at 7,541 leons. So in APC, them all then 10 them where they spend na power. Yeah, from 2007 to 2011 to 2017, the dollar, you understand, it just increased by about 3,000 some hundred. About 3,000 some hundred. SLPP, just 3 years, the dollar, it don't increase by almost 8,000. So APC 10 years, now about 3 to 4,000. SLPP 3 years, now over, now close to 8,000. $90 don't increase. Close to 8,000. $90 don't increase. So it right now is fearful for we. It's fearful for we. It's fearful. What's fearful as a nation? It's fearful for we. If we not do something, now them waiting and go do them go change money. If say we change money, it solve the economic problem. How money we carry now the same thing, the same value with the money we go. And you get for payback for let them make this new money. So now unnecessary other debts back they don't go take for pay for make them make new money back. The thing is that if you not control your spending, your expenditure, you not control that. I'll tell you one secret. Remember where they come, the executive order 1. Now the president stop all duty waivers. Duty waivers. President stop all. He said there should be no duty waivers. Last everything have been end. Where they mean they calculate the money they we don't lose. They calculate all the money. Don't if APC don't this. But why what to make APC mean they give duty waivers? APC mean they give duty waivers because they want to encourage chicken minerals, London mining. Where you give them duty waivers, they get that in truck the BCM alone, they get past 100 truck where they carry it. And then truck then they're expensive for clear past the normal cheap they are all they use. So if you say them for pay for an Awataki, then they spend close to then 30 million for clear one truck normal. So if they get 100 of all the money, now Awataki they left. So they not go come nas alone because they know say the investment for can clear them goods is expensive. Then go find other country for go. So now I make the previous government may say, below give duty waivers for them companies there where one can invest in the country. So then clear the way you can have with goods, you can with Timotoka, you know they pay now free. Now so we get African mineral, now so we get London mining, now so we get some other mining them come in the way they can invest. And when they invest, let's tell you the secret. The secret now that them mining companies then their money where then they pay the staff the way they work from overseas then they pull them. And when they pull them from overseas now in dollars in the cap. When it come in dollars, then they can't change an Salonia to leos for pay the salon staff there. So what's in they happen? Dollar they bokuna the country, and when dollar bokuna the country, the price for dollar they come down, you know they go up because you get foreign direct investments then I country. Right. Where they make that's not they go up. But when you close all the company then because if you say APC and then you close them. No way, no they now way dollar they can inside. Now you then they pull dollar. Most of the employees them now from overseas then come out. Then get for change dollar for send for them people then overseas. Then get for change dollar for pay mortgage. Then get for change dollar for buy houses then they. You see? So you find out say all the dollar then they take them back for go with Ayanda. So dollar no they. So it mean they don't make the price of dollar extremely high.
Okay, Honorable Abdul Kagbo, unfortunately we don't have enough time, but trust me, I'm going to have you back on my program. I'm going to have you back
at any time.
Yes, because I mean,
at any time.
A lot of people need for know this and constantly need for ring and the ace. So somebody they asked me before I left you go. Somebody they asked me APC or SLPP who's one don't thief pass.
Hey, I don't read the numbers there.
According to
I don't read the numbers there.
APC and SLPP who don't thief pass.
SLPP na senior man there. APC it's right. Then a senior man there. SFP na senior man, APC needs right there.
This I know. Thank you so much, Fadima. Honestly, this program, I can tell you, not been very informative program. A lot of people, not to me one go, you shock a lot of Sierra Leoneans then. And like I say, thankfully, you were speaking from the official document given to you in Parliament by the SLPP government. So you not take them from no side, you not take them from Google, you not take them from any part. You took it, you were speaking direct from that official document. So this not a fake where we can talk to about today. This is not the reality on ground, the reality as we speak.
And the 2021 document we then get for go with get for worse, pass with here don't it so. Because they will go with them very quick.
Process this first. When you get the 2021, I will definitely bring you on my program again for making you talk to some people there. But I want to tell you thank you, honestly, because you don't can open the eyes and minds of Sierra Leoneans there. Even the one that we did at the edge say, oh, we don't know whether we'll go vote back for APC or whether we'll vote in SLPP again. You don't come right now. Everybody don't know Usa Ifode by this hour because nobody knows what's going good for Salone. No go hear this kind of information and gladdy for this government. It's not about politics. This is about the lives, the livelihood of Sierra Leoneans there, where they're on the line. And Sierra Leone at this point, with democracy, with constitution, and the rule of law, they are the crossroad. And this is the term where, like when Honorable say, the only way where we can hold this government accountable, like how them be all the APC accountable, is to vote them out. So the decision is yours as Sierra Leonean. If you mean good for Sierra Leone, you know what you go do. Honorable, I really, really appreciate you for coming into my program today. And I want to say thanks to the guests there. You know, I can't name you all, Tommy, Ibrahim, Jennifer, Fadima, Memzo, all of them I want to appreciate you plenty. I'm not going for calling, but I really appreciate your comments. And that those of your comments don't help me for making me push this program today. Thank you, Honorable. And it's a pleasure having you on my program. And anytime you don't open for you, for make you come and make you come.
The pleasure is mine.
The people of Sierra Leone. But I will talk to you later. This is very informative. I'll talk to you. Thank you so much and God bless you. But meanwhile, as we go, make we listen to this. This
you know say plenty people not get for votes the time for election. Not because they no one for vote, but now because of this simple mistake where I can't tell you what so now I go make plenty people no vote. Right now, as the Electoral Commission Salone don't pull the date for vote and for register, plenty people just the yagba and they rush go do things them as they tell them for do. But hey, members say registration, I mean the voter registration, they begin from the 3rd of September to the 4th of October 2022. Then a number 1 step where go give you guarantee say you go vote. But if you make mistake during this time, you not go for vote. And I think this way person not go able for help people. What in this mean? It means say, not ever register na the area where you dey work, do business, or where you dey go school. You know what it make? You don't know. Sometimes the time for the election, then go say, public transport not for run. This na big challenge for you. Remember, if you tap na Kalbatong and then you dey walk na Lumley, how you go able for go and vote na that side? You go able for waka? The answer na no. So, no make that mistake there. As them blow the whistle, when they say, hey, today na the 3rd of September for begin the voter registration. Do ya try by all possible means for register na the center where they near you house. So the day when they go say for voting, whether Mutuka deal, Mutuka not deal, not to your business. You they go serve full na morning.